Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Latasha Valentine and this is part 2 of my affordable clothing items trying all that I'm going to be doing. So yeah guys, don't forget to like, share, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button, of course. Alright, so guys, I'm going to start off with this piece right here. How cute is this? It's a two-piece. It's really nice. Absolutely love this one. Now the top, I didn't know how to tie the top. I'm gonna try and see if I can put a picture of the model wearing it so you can see how it was. But obviously I had to improvise because of my smaller bust area. So I couldn't basically tie it in the front because it just didn't work. So basically I just kind of crisscross it and bring it all the way around the back. Like that. So that's what I did with it. The skirt is very nice also. Everything that I'm doing, guys, everything that I'm wearing, every time that I've ordered is in a size small. I am a size 8. Now the skirt is really nice also. I'm going to try and show you where it's stopped on me. It's got a nice little slit with a nice little ruching and a drawstring at the side. The only thing that I'm going to say about this one, guys, is that it is a little bit on the see-through side. I had no idea. I didn't notice when I saw it online and when I was ready to order it. But the detailing, that I'm going to come a bit closer. So all these little detailing right here, yeah, they're all see-through, including the ones on the skirt as well. So guys, I'll just say wear a really nice undergarment, you know, just make sure your thing's set up right and you should be good. But overall, I do like this piece. The material itself, apart from the holes, the design of the hole that makes it see-through, is actually quite good. It's quite soft, very stretchy. I can't speak, oh my god. Very stretchy. Of course, if you've got a bigger bust, bigger chest area, it will fit for sure. It's very comfortable on the skin. I mean, the skirt is there's a little bit of room for me, as you can see, a little bit of room, but it's okay. I'm fine with that. Guys, tell me what you think. I think this is a really cute one. Come on then. I don't want to go downstairs. Okay guys, so this is the second outfit, and I'm not sure if you've seen my first haul, but if you did see my first haul, the first outfit that I tried on was basically this in a completely different color. This was the summery one, so obviously this one now is full black.
I need to get on the bed.
Do that. It's the exact same thing. The only thing I'll say that's different is the drawstring. So the drawstring here is literally just the string. It doesn't pull. The other one that I tried on before, it actually pull and you can actually gather it up, which is really nice. Nevertheless, the fit is perfect. It's a size small. Again, as I said, everything that I'm going to be putting on is a size small. It fits me really well, as you can see, really well. And then it's floaty.
Yeah.
So very nice. Absolutely love it. And the fact that it's full plain black, so nice, goes so well with me. This is definitely my vibe. Really nice material, nice fit, nice. As I mentioned before in my first video, if you did see that one, this is not my style. This floaty thing right here is not my style. I'm into bodycon and stuff like that, but I thought, let me choose something completely different out of my comfort zone and see how it goes. And I actually really like it. I really like it. It's very safe. You know, you can literally dress this down and dress it up as well. I've actually tried it on with my heels and it looks really nice. You can wear this with sandals. You can put your pumps on if you are someone who loves pumps, and it will still go. Slick your hair back, hair out, it doesn't matter, and it will still go. It looks really nice. The fit is lovely, as I said. Really nice. Material, nice. Not see-through, nice and thick, comfortable, not scratching my skin or anything like that. And I'll definitely give this so much wear. This is not only a one-wear thing. This is going to be worn more than once. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're just going to wear it. So yeah, let me know what you think. Would you wear this? Hi guys, so this is the third piece. Now this dress, initially when I saw it, I really loved it. I wasn't sure if it's gonna fit my body because of course your girl do not have enough chest going on up here, and the V, as you can see, I've got my bra on, obviously, is very deep. I don't know how I'm going to wear this, but I'm gonna try because I do love it. Now it's really long. So it's quite long, all the way down to the ankle, just above the ankle. It's got this little detail in here. It's not a drawstring or anything. It's literally just there, just to tie, just for style. Of course, it's got the padded shoulders. As I said, guys, I don't know how I'm going to wear this because obviously I'll need to, get some kind of clips or I don't know, covers or a decent something, because I really do like it. It's really nice. The only thing I'm gonna say is, guys, it's a little bit on the see-through side. So the material itself is really soft, which is good. However, it's quite see-through, even though it's black. So you can literally see through everything. So obviously, undergarment would have to be a plus. Now, talking about undergarment, I was pleasantly surprised when I opened the package to realize that they actually sent an underwear with it, which was really nice. And I really hope that they would have sent something for the top as well to go, you know. But this was really nice. This was a surprise. I didn't expect this at all for it to come with. Which was really nice. I'm gonna try and show you the model as well. Obviously the model, I have enough chest and maybe something there to kind of, you know, poke it out and make it look good. But I guess I'll need to find something. But overall, I do like it. I really like it. I'm definitely not gonna be returning it. I'm gonna figure this out. And guys, you can follow me on my Instagram at Latasha Valentine to see how I wear this and how I style it when I do wear it out. But yeah, okay guys, so this is the next piece. Forget about the cycling shorts. And yes, I know it's a little bit big because it's a size 10, but I'm still wearing it in the yard. It's not about the cycling shorts, it's literally about the top. It's long sleeve, it's black, and the best bit is for me why I ordered this one is because of the back. Excuse the bra, obviously I'm still wearing my bra, so but the style is nice. Now the string itself was quite long, so I had to kind of bring it around my waist and then bring it to the back, so I couldn't just tie it in the back like that. But this I really like, nice and soft. Again, size 8 small, as I said. This could go really nice with obviously your cycling shorts, duh, of course I'm wearing that one. You can go with jeans, a nice skirt, shorts, yeah. So yes, I really like it. It's really nice. Okay guys, so this is the next fit. I'm so sorry about that, didn't get to lace it up. So this goes obviously around your neck. I do love the fit, it's comfortable, a little bit thin on the side, not too thin, but you can still see like whatever you're wearing underneath. The back is a lot of lacing, hence why I didn't do it up, but I'm going to show you the back anyway. It's really nice. It's got a nice little split at the back also, which is quite not actually, it's high up. I'm just feeling it right now, it's quite high, so I'll show you that. Quite high up there. Nevertheless, I do like the dress. It's really nice and comfortable, and I'm sure I can style this really well. It's for all occasion. You can dress this down or dress this up, holiday or not. You can wear this. Really nice, really good, comfortable, really sexy. As I said, I'm a sexy person. I like to be sexy, so that's not a problem for me. It's definitely for a holiday piece, obviously, as you can see. I'm just gonna show you some little clip because they don't know say. Yeah, I'm gonna step back, show them a few little clip, and yeah. Okay, so what can I say about this? I really like it. It's black, it's high-waisted, it's comfortable. Boom, Bob's your uncle, that's it.